Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm sharing my peas and rice recipe in time for your 4th July feast with family and friends. You can never go wrong with serving rice at a feast. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. Please note that this can be substituted with black pepper or your favorite spice. Adding browning is optional. If you're not able to find this, you can always use the kitchen bouquet or just cook it without. It will still be delicious. This is just for presentation. God bless you. These pigeon peas were already cooked. These were in the freezer. So now I'm just adding them in. God bless you. Wow, she's adding the rice before the liquid. This is the way I do it. This is how I was taught. I add the rice first, coat it up, then the liquid. This way helps me to gauge the amount of liquid that I'm adding to the rice accurately. You don't need too much and you don't need too little, just enough. Try it this way and you will be guaranteed success. Continue watching. Give it a good mixing so that you can take up all of that goodness that is stuck to the bottom of the pot. God bless you. Season to taste. Don't go overboard with the salt now. Less is always best. Okay, it's time for the first stir. As you can see, most of the liquid has now evaporated and all of the veggies are at the top. So it's time to mix them up. Mix up everything together. Liquid is still there. So after doing this, I'm gonna allow it to finish up for an additional 5 minutes on low heat. The temperature is now at medium. Just adjust it down to low and give it 5 minutes more to finish up. God bless you and continue watching. Okay, while the rice is finishing up, let's meet the team. Beverly Black. Tashonda Renee. In the kitchen with Lynn. And yours truly, Melda 242. At the end of this video, I'd like you to check them out. The links are in the description box below. And there you have it. Peas and rice. I'd like you to go ahead and try this recipe for your Independence Feast this year. And happy Independence Day in advance. God bless you and God bless the United States of America. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.